Good morning, family. I hope you're all doing great. We are now coming to the end of January, and I hope you've all had a good one so far. We are today enjoying the perfect weather here in the countryside. It's not hot, it's not cold, no rain, no sunshine, just a calm, quiet, beautiful day. I really love this weather. January is normally not like this. I've had a very busy January, and February ain't going to be any easier, but I'm glad it's a kind of busy that is rewarding, so I'm not complaining. I'm expecting a guest today, probably someone some of you have met, but I think it would be really great to meet him here at my home. So stick around and welcome our guest. Meanwhile, I'll go ahead and water our potted plants as usual. We've still not had a lot of rains. We had some heavy rain a few days ago, and everything, all the dust settled, but we haven't had another downpour. The weather seems to suggest we are going to have more rains, and it's welcome because the planting season is approaching. I will help myself to some hot tea. It's really cold today, and a cup of hot tea is very appreciated in this kind of weather. So, as I wait for my guest, I'll just enjoy my tea. I hope the tea calms me down. I usually have this anxiety, especially when I'm meeting someone for the first time. I don't know why, but it is something I've lived with for a long time. I'm just never settled when I'm expecting a guest. I think it's mainly because I don't like to disappoint people. I want to give my best, and I'm always just wondering if my best is going to be good enough for them. So my guest is here, and it's like everyone watched the video where I said you should never check into anyone's home without a gift. So my guest has brought me these beautiful ornamental trees, and I will be planting them later at my villa. I really, really love the trees, and this is going to be a great addition to my yard. He seems to have really watched my videos keenly because I don't have all these trees he brought. So let me allow my guest to introduce himself.
Hey guys, my name is Lennox Jr. I'm a travel content creator. I do travel, real estate, and lifestyle. So this round or this time, I'm in Nyanza. I'm showcasing real estate, especially homes, to show you how rural living is, how people in the rural areas are suffering, as you guys think. But so that's why I'm at Giles Place. I just want to know how rural living is. So I have socials. My socials are Lennox Junior on YouTube, Lennox Junior everywhere, TikTok, Instagram. You can check me out there.
So, friends, please go over to Lennox Junior's channel and check it out. If you love building, if you love real estate, if you love travel, then you will get that on his channel. And please remember to subscribe and let him know I sent you. I'll keep the trees here for now. I'll water them and I'll carry them to my home the next time I'm going there. That is in 2 days, and I'm gonna plant them there. The sun is finally out and the afternoon is warming up, the kind of warmth I appreciate now. It's been really cold. The last of our harvest is out here drying, and I'm just preparing some beans for dinner. Unfortunately, we stored our beans without sorting, and it makes the work quite difficult because every time we want to cook beans, then you have to do the sorting of the bit that you want to cook. I think this is going to be very difficult for us, so I'll just get guys to do the sorting so that it is easier to cook whenever we want to cook. The beans is boiling and we are going to have our beans with chapati. So I'm going to prepare the chapati dough, let it settle, and then I'll come back to cook later. Chapati is supposed to be very easy to cook. It has very few ingredients. All you need is water, salt, and wheat flour. Unfortunately, it gets different results by different people. Sometimes it comes out really hard, sometimes soft. I too haven't perfected the art of making chapatis. Sometimes they just don't turn out right, but I keep trying. So today I've made a very soft dough and I'm really hoping to have those soft chapatis. I also have them layered, and I just watched a video of how to make even better layers. So let's do this and see how they turn out today. Please share all those tips you got on how to make soft layered chapatis because I'm just tired of just trying my luck every time. I honestly don't know where I go wrong because sometimes I get really soft chapatis, but sometimes they just backfire. I'd love to be sure of what I'm doing and the results. So this is the new method of getting the layers that I learned from a video. So let's try it out and see what we're going to get at the end of it. I'm done making the chapatis and just stick around. I'm going to show you how they come out, if they're soft or not. And I'm going to make a stew from our pre-boiled beans, and tomatoes is a big part of our stews. I've seen guys make stews without tomatoes. I honestly don't know how to make a stew without tomatoes. I was brought up using tomatoes. So we're adding a bit of water to the beans for the soup. You don't want it very dry because the chapatis are already dry. We will let it simmer for about 30 minutes and then our dinner will be ready. It's time to see how our chapatis turned out. They're layered but not very soft, but it is acceptably soft. I'll go ahead and enjoy my dinner. Thank you guys for watching and always sticking around here. I really appreciate you all. It's bye for now. I'll see you in the next.